Hi, this is the HardReset.Info YouTube channel and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on Android 14. So open first the settings application, then scroll down to wallpaper and style, tap to change wallpaper and you will see here all of the available default wallpapers. You could use them or also you could use photo from your device gallery. So tap to my photos and you will see here all of the downloaded before photos or wallpapers on your device or previously taken on your device camera. And for example, let's just use one from these available wallpapers. Just we could see here the preview on the lock and home screen. Just first we should download it. So this is the online wallpaper. Just to download it, you be sure that you are connected to the internet, to the mobile data or to the Wi-Fi. And just to use these wallpapers, sure you should just tap here to this download icon. So now just tap on the lock screen. Okay, that is the preview. So let's click to download. Now we should click here to set wallpaper on the right upper corner. Okay, but we'll set it on the home screen and on the lock screen together, but you could set different wallpapers on lock and home screen. So just also we get one more way how we could change our home screen lock screen wallpaper. You should just hold for a while the home screen with your finger, then tap to wallpaper and style, and by the same way just select one from these available wallpapers which you will like. Here select lock screen, tap set wallpaper, select lock screen, and that's it. So let's just check our new wallpaper, and as you can see, that's so simple. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.